Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. I'm Mrs. DLC. If you are subscribers, thank you for joining me yet again for another video. And those of you who are new, hope you enjoy something that you hear or see today. We are unboxing. Look, I'm challenging myself. I am trying to expand my inventory so that I have more smaller bags, and not only that I have them in my inventory, that I carry them. So in order for me to carry them, they have to work for my lifestyle. So I have a couple of bags that I purchased from Dooney, and I'm going to, they are really small. They are smaller than what I normally carry. I'm a big bag girl. I love Boston style bags. I love the Speedies. I love the large Rowan from Coach. But I love a barrel bag. So Dooney they were having a friends and family sale, and I purchased the crossbody barrel bag from Dooney, and it's in a size 20, so very small. This is the Caribbean blue barrel bag in a size 20. I was inspired by this color. I had purchased the deco bag. Do you have that? I was looking for the deco bag in 2025. I was looking for it in the barrel style, but by the time I kind of discovered it, they were all gone. And I did get another style, which I do like too. But this little coin wallet is one that I purchased. If you know, with the deco bags, if I find one close to me, I'll show you. There are so many beautiful colors in the deco bag, and I wanted to pull out one of those colors, and I really loved this coin pouch because I brought it for that. So when I was on the Dooney site and I was in the market for a smaller bag, I said, let me try my hand at getting a bag to match this coin pouch that I have. So that was the inspiration behind the Caribbean blue. Have you ever done that before? You have something small and then you decide, well, you know what, I'm going to try this and I really like it, and then you want to get other matching pieces for that. I'm a matchy girl, so I do like things to match. So let's take a look at her. She is a size 20. She has the leather, as Dooney does. Dooney does a really good job with the leather. This is a pebble leather. It has the handles, top handle carry, and the leather goes around the bag. You see there, the sides of the bag. It has the leather trim on both sides. Now, there is a size up from this. There is, I believe it's a 25, and it's a different style from this, but it's a barrel bag, but it's a bit different. And the only reason why I chose this 20 versus the larger size is for one particular reason. I prefer that the strap is attached on the sides of the bag and not on the handles. Does that make a difference for you? It's something about strap that it just feels like it just doesn't belong when it's on the handles for me. So I do prefer that if the bag is going to have a strap, that it is strapped on both sides of the bag. Now don't come for me, because if you look at my videos with the Savannah that I absolutely love, that's a Coach Savannah. It's the only bag I have that the strap is up top. So that's the only thing that I do not prefer about that bag. All right, so back to this Dooney Beauty. I am going to show you what the interior looks like, and I have a couple of items here I'm going to try out. I'm going to, let's take all of this stuffing out. We have a dust bag that it comes with, and like most Dooneys, I haven't purchased one yet that doesn't have the clip here. On the inside, there is a small slip pocket. And that is the only interior storage in here. Everything else is just an open area. No pockets on the outside as well. The front, you have your Dooney patch in the brass with the 1975 year stamp on the metal patch. So let's take a look at that. So the first thing I notice is that while I love this color, it may be a bit much for me. So I'm thinking about, will I even keep this, or I may need to try to find a way to just make me carry this more, and maybe I have to dress it up a bit and see. So first, the inspiration piece is this coin wallet. Let's see if it fits in here. It does. It fits in there nicely. I also have a card wallet. This is a Dooney card wallet. And I'm going to see if this fits in the side back pocket here. And it does. Let's see if I can show you how that fits. So now we have the coin pouch, and we also have the card wallet. And there's still a lot of room in there. I have this little pouch here, which is really cute. This is from Amazon. So sometimes when I'm carrying things and I want to use this, it's just kind of that clench pouch that opens really easily. So I'm going to see if this fits in here. But I had a couple of things in there, and it does. It fits in there as well. I wouldn't fold it, so I probably would put it in the long way. So it would be that way, and it fits. I also have this little, this is a pill pouch, but it does also have a mirror, so I can use that. And we have, let's see if you can see it in there. It just went in there. It's rolling around, but it definitely is room. And that's a comfortable fit for all of these items here. So I have a little coin pouch. I have a card wallet. I have the little pill pouch that has the mirror on it. This little pouch that can be added in there. And this fits all of that. Now I do have another little pouch, which is from Amazon as well. So it would be between this one and this one. This one is a little bigger, so this may be a better fit. So I'm going to put that in there. Still have room. So that's all we're going to put in here. Now, since this bag is small, you may not want to do the pouch method and may just want to put your items inside the bag. Let me caution you here is that if you're going to have something like ink pens or eyeliners or something that can mark up your bag, it's probably going to do it in here because this is a linen material, not easy to wipe down. So you want to be careful if you use something that may spill or mark up the interior of the bag. So if you can get some right size pouches like I have here, that may fit. So far with the fit, just carrying the essentials, this is great. So this is a top handle, and it does come with a crossbody strap. Before we try out the strap, I'm going to see if I can dress her up a bit to see what she would look like. I love carrying these little fruit pouches, and I'm just going to, this is a strawberry, so I'm going to just snap her on there, see what she looks like here. And we have this little Amazon apple here as well, and kind of move the plastic up a bit. Let's see, we have a little apple, and there we go. We have a couple of accessories for our little crossbody. So let's spend some time on this strap. So let's get this paper out the way. this strap is very generous in length. So it is a crossbody, and it is also a shoulder strap. So I'm going to see if I can try it on so you'll see what it looks like. Do know that I would not carry her in the crook of my arm because this is not wide enough. I mean, it doesn't fit that way. So she would be top handle. And let's see if I can wear her, what she looks like. So that's how she fits. She comes about to my hip. I'm 5'4". That's how she fits as a crossbody. Now, to adjust, you would have to remove the middle portion of the strap. I'm going to take that off on both ends. Now that leaves me with this and this. Let's see, we're going to strap her this way. And we now have a shoulder. And that's how she looks as a shoulder bag. So there it is. It's the 20 Dooney Crossbody 20. She has a couple of accessories on her to dress her up a bit. And she's really cute. So now my next decision is whether she's a keeper or not. Before I decide that, I will also show you that it was a good buy. It was a good buy because this was Friends and Family's Day, people. And because it was, I went on and purchased her in the bone colorway. Same exact bag. More of a neutral here. And I do have the same key coin pouch. And I had this one already, and this is a card wallet. So I have a Dooney card wallet. You see that? And then this key pouch and the crossbody 20 here. So let's see. I have a couple of accessories here. Let's see what this one looks like. I'm going to put a little pink and a little yellow here. And she can be fun. She can be fun too. So these are the two Dooney bags. They're 20s. They're crossbodies. They both have straps to them. This is the bone. This is the Caribbean blue. And I'm just going to take the accessories off so you can just see it without. Maybe you're not an accessory person. Are you an accessory person? I just recently got into accessories and I really do like them. They're actually fun and functional. I always like to carry something small like this, a pouch for things that I need to get to really quickly. And generally it's my AirPods. And I'm going to take both of these off to show you what they look like side by side. There goes the sides of them, the bottom, and then the back and up top. Tell me what you think. I like them, and my next decision is whether I'm going to keep them or not. All right, we'll see you the next time. Thank you all for joining.